Official for me church nyina me church mo nyina mo bia kwaba sonkon e de oba ras media so enne anyumre yi ade asan akraba nse na ye ne mo komodi ai ene ya bokra do se ye pese ye mfasam niema bi ekoso emra emeto aboten ai ti me check se be mo bibia na mo bia so akwaba sonkon e de aba ras media so se waba no waba be kai on. You deserve a proud. Yeah, Bushan for yen name say MPP promise ye he will penum our money say they want to go and stand to lead the party in 2028 election. Yes. In a way or the other, no, it makes a lot of sense. It says if you're kunya ababe toho, then the padodo a year muti, so one person made or made this akunya, and I shall say akunya no a yakunya bia esompo. Now, yen name say Kennedy Japan, one of these 5 people, omo person moye den, omo emedi MPP party na nim. Or say Alexander Memwakwaba. Now, if you were Kennedy Japan, what you know, yes, so a war. Nipa bi say wura kwabra a Japan. Ye wo brana champion. Ye wo ye wura yaw or say adutwim. And ye we wura ba omia. Na yen nim say uhwe the main issue now, and I say the main contest now, it is between Dr. Bawumia, His Excellency, the former Vice President, and the former presidential candidate for the MPP. The former MP for Asin Central, Kennedy Ohene, a Japan. Yeah, Kwakumensa Uya Mwakwa. Now, Abusia, you say Kennedy Japan camp. You will nipa bil moho mukita very harsh mount. Feba ya was here. You will nipa bil Kennedy Japan camp wa omwanu munsem no na time. Etruba bi na we MPP ne otim say na nkrofo we. Omo MPP fo na say ye kofo mo free ba bi na e de omo abefra MPP amanyokom. Sa nipa ya me kom asem e bi na wusu bempa aboa papon. Ena Alestete the second one. Ono de na timi ba bonten etimbe didi amanfo atemmodi Dr. Bawumia nimu ye fom. Ono na timi sine bopaja MPP ni de na koma yokofo so omo nkoche no. Adan o se wodi Ghana man sika. Na yesi asebre sa ye mesre na Jacopo. Kennedy Japan camp na agu 17% na ye de amana na onya kura na asema na meka papa ye fa na Alexete only timi so Dr. Bawumia mo pesa na hwere wa pa timi ke kan de opetwa ntro ka de onim ne de ohu ye e de fa ye wura Bawumia ho only timi gada nkrofo so ma amamfo so mo nkodi ntro se Dr. Bawumia wi a emo ene anwa ensem bebre. Sa ko isu ni timba bonte be di ntro gu bra champon so se wawi ankokoma ene nkokokosua na yesi wo hu wiase na ye wo no eno mo omo kat you can say best with the same feathers fly together eno mo omo feathers se amuno mutu ebom because the Kennedy Japan platform so fast you in the campaign. Kwaya Kennedy faso kasa di tia ono ankasa ne nkrofo ne mpanyfo no eno a ena ne nkrofo no so no omo afa sa style no so ena omo de campaign asemu ya meken enye se me Kennedy supporter or Dr. Bawumia supporter. This is a rare fact. Hey, now akwati aba ye kotu ya elusu ye the Kennedy Japan camp platforms they are jubilating timiye. Would they go around every platform at Kennedy Japan and no more a campaign the man. They are jubilating. And the balance of say, now these people, are they really MPP people or where do they come from? Because I wonder, say, in NDC, Dr. Dofon Krofo, ebe jubilate say, MDC akọ by election one when into mu jubility. What are you jubilating for? So this is the character of Muli Danankasa, indoctrinating the communicators at their mom. Na yɛsɛ sɛ wokɔkye jataba ɛde ne bɛto fie ne nkora brem na woma no aduane di na onyini na ne se fifiri a ɔda so yɛ jata tebe yie paa wokɔwuram kɔkye jataba na wode ne ba fie na wobɛma ne mɛreke nom ne nnuane ɛma ne didi na onyini duru jata a ɔyɛ jata deɛ tienti a mɛka ne saa Kennedy Japan de ne ho akɔ akɔhyɛ alestete nom ne nkurasifoɔ binom a kasa akɔrɔ mu ne mu ka ɔde wakɔ akɔhyɛ ɔmo akyi ɛna da bi ɔmo sɔre a ɔmo twa bɔ MPP leadership every day every night ebi ne alestete nti bra na alestete de yɛ MPP foɔ mpanyinfoɔ no na ɛyɛ Kennedy Japan de bra alestete ɛka sɛ sabio bra champo awia nkokɔ ne nkosua no na ɛyɛ Kennedy Japan de bra sabio alestete kese Dr. Bawumia ɔyɛ mampurusi ni ne yere fulani ni ɔmo nyɛ Ghanafoɔ ɔnyɛ MPP ni ɛna ɔba yɛ nkyɛre yɛ ɛna ɔne sika ɛna hwan ne hwan yɛ nam ne so na yɛlusu yɛ na Kennedy Japan jubility ɛne what has happened deɛ nti ɛna mabɔ w'anim deɛ na mabɔ w'anim ne sɛ jatama na Kennedy Japan kɔfɔ mo bɛgu ne fie a ɔma ɔmo nnuane ne nam wiyɛ ma ɔmo nyiniɛ ɛnɛ ɔmo jiga ɔmo bɛkyi ɔmo bɔɔso awe ɛyɛ wɔn wahu mana ne nyɛ wɔn wa ɛma ne nyɛ wɔn wa koraa because what I'm talking about no ɛyɛ something very serious a happen ɛne dua yɛ amena ɔkasa yi deɛ na asie deɛ asie nyinaa ne sɛ alestete se ɔno no he is not going to support Kennedy Japan again. Na yes osi on support no kwa na asan. Alestete se Kennedy Japan hey we are sepa but Ken o camp na go. And that the alestete se afen wo se san Kennedy Japan ye kontomponi or ye man panyin on kan no korek teke. Adentia o se Kennedy Japan ahye ne boss he will be there for him every time. And I'm also more no so nya kukodro akeka nkwase asem e de afa MPP fine for binomo. Now we mu na according to Alex Tete no say okoka asem bi fa MPP ni bi hu se wadi o mine sika so person fa sky train emra. Sky train na ma medru. Ohun ba bi sky train yi wo into akwa report to nipa no e de na mayoko. And I Kennedy beka kyerɛ no sɛ dabi yɛnyɛ ne saa ɔmo yɛ MPP for ɔmo yɛ me nkurɔfoɔ ade di a wɔyɛ saa manyɛ saa koraa alestete te asɛm yi wɔdwa to the point sɛ ɔsesa na onim sɛ Kennedy Japan yɛ nkontomponi na bra batwa ntorɔ kyɛ sɛ at the point korɔ sɛ na wo papa panyin wo yɛ deɛ wo yɛ na sɛ deɛ wo keka no wɔ num so bɛyɛ ama Ghanafoɔ nyina yɛ ntorɔ bra nyɛ me na meka o. I'm just repeating what Alestete said. Now, Alestete was able to dismantle the credibility of Kennedy Japan. And yes, I am Misiro, I am a Alestete as in a senator, and the second Japan, so what doso no in every style BRB. And they say, hey, who Kennedy Japan? Uwa mama akumaku 22 politics ya wuye amanfo etu omuanu egu so a oma 22 no bia dane dan opipie no oba abonte be defendo e ye ono alestete na defende enti so akoko kan asem bi rapo na asem na okan na nya woda adenti a wutimi ko gina badwam ka se ade wo ya alestete ye mani je ho alestete se dabi e was second Japan kofa no. Because Kennedy has promised him, say he can say whatever he wants to say. He, Kennedy Japan, is going to defend him. Bra. Oh, yes, yeah. the showdown that Kennedy Japan promised to show down the MPP executive, no. Sa showdown, no, ono ne camp one asha se boba. Enche, stekanso be dwane African po. Enche bia, stekanso be dwane African po. Na awia, I don't want to waste your time. Yen couldn't Alex TETTEH how angry he was and the things that he said about Kennedy Japan. Or say Kennedy Japan man red lights. I'm a man who say a warning. Na so di Kennedy Japan chobe hwede nkwa. Hey, Alex TETTEH. Na nipa ni binum Jimmy. Nipa ni binum sika Jimmy omo. To the point to say, omo musika kakra bia, they are ready to destroy everything. Now I don't know me read it, they almost say it takes 1,000 Bob Marley offender reggae artist of South Africa wakababi. I say it will take millions of people to build something, but it will take just a fool, one stupid person to destroy everything. That is actually what Kennedy Japan has employed people to do. Just to destroy the MPP party. Now, I say be America. I don't want you to feel same in America. I want you to listen to Alex TETTEH because sa papa way the audio Dr. Bawumia or Ghana Maimono. It is unbelievable. Say net ye. Ono ankasa who say no, Kennedy Japan yen trofo. Somebody who has been working closely with Kennedy Japan since 2023. And then say Kennedy Japan is somebody that you should never trust because obeka asem or China no ka asem fufuro. Mama Vivian kuma mo akwaba kwajo abrefa me mo akwaba pa. Temiyo Alex TETTEH no. Alex TETTEH no yet the harsh vocal for Kennedy Japan. And then you see that be Kennedy Japan ye kontomponi pa. Me can mo say me Dr. Bawumia boy. Into the mekana. I'm just saying something to favor my candidate. That be. I'm on for Kennedy Japan Jr. TNT from Kennedy Japan Jr. TNT my Facebook page, my friend Kennedy Japan Jr. Now me ye campaign, the ama you Dr. Bawumia. Odi opa kwana kohe. Since when was Kennedy Japan Jr. page was built? And even before I built the page, I was already working with the name of Kennedy Japan, publishing his videos, many social media platforms. But I knew Kennedy Japan as a businessman, not as a leader of a nation. And to a man in Sasonam said that probably a mistake. Because your character to lead the country, you need to have them, which many of the businessmen don't have it. Many of the businessmen, they don't have that character to lead the country. Now, enti aba abontan ye frem Kennedy Japan Jr. Mesimo ba omia side no. Amamfo twabo me. Saden. Kennedy hu nsam bana ye beka, amamfo twabo yen. Ye ba beka chem se papa ne kontomponi. Papa ne nsem o kana. There is no leader or no businessman that will tell you, I want to be a president so that I can create job for you. It is unsustainable. It is something unsustainable. So, Baba, president. Not through your presidency, no. Udube created in Yuma, Amao, my mania biaye. It is impossible. It is not possible. Ghana is a communist state. And even a communist state, Kurano, who Ghana ni who person better communist state. Baby, I'll call ye Jumadia ma buy a baby more biania diamo babiada. Na sa. That is not what we need. So I've always been consistent and telling you Ghana for say, and some now papa ne can ne abonten, and I'm about me be yuma, and I'm saying obwa. Because the rare businessman opposite me and yuma maunya no, he will not involve himself in politics to create job for you. He will actually sit back the power and use the power from his party to create jobs. And to know, says you know, be the president now international conference, international meetings, a UN one conference, one. How is he going to make sure that he creates jobs for you? And you can't say papa no in contomponi. You can't man for saying you know correct. And that day you say momochichi every nso ase beka to say apotro wu o ka to say denchem wu a ye nje ho achinye obi oni ke na Japan anante for so long. Joseph Kwame Labi me mo kwa papa me hola mi amigos Jara Rastafari como estás saludo benvenuto amico mio tu come stai condividi mio video Kwame abusiamo nshare video na mo like video ne enko yene ene de eni pone ke na Japan anante for long time Sicilia tu ahene me mo akwa me Felix Apia and political zone mo akwa America yaya me chia ye pa Cornelius Kujo me chia Francis Nana sa akode ho so me chia pa ene de obi oni ke na Japan anante for years has come out to say don't believe in Kennedy, he's a liar. Because as a simple protection crown, he was not able to provide to somebody what to ni what can samaki can the yen fata for. Now there I don't want to talk much. Young kone konko sama arrested edia go abonten efa Kennedy Japan. Yaba ne atwaso.
No take action against him. Uvin search na bidia ne beba. Me the anti am say Kennedy me free Kennedy achi. Kennedy a promise me say Kwa Alex obi a ukasama mi bia no me sikio ade chi nansa no abeka cha akola nse oh asema akoka ni nti no me de me kura me support on support me ye politics is about business me tell no be baba me bo trip chine koka no one take action against him. Uvin search na bidia ne beba. Me the anti am say Kennedy me free Kennedy achi. Kennedy a promise me say Kwa Alex obi a ukasama mi bia no me sikio ade chi nansa no abeka cha akola nse oh asema akoka ni nti no me de me kura me support on support me ye politics is about business me tell no be baba me bo trip na me do achi na ultimate protect me wo maye makomako 22 obi yo wa o muntimi me respond na me ma be respond no aka chem say na me da so na me do achi ene na say adwen bi enu mi so e wo me so me wo ma wo yire
so the fact
Tiabusuati yo. Obi nkuwa nyami, obi nhuwa nyami huwo. Alestete na ekasa no. Enya mafu na ekasa yo. Me mafu metimi baby. Mayi mani. Alestete na utimi bedi Dr. Bawumia. Eto ne humpa. Eto ne humpe. Eka di ope di onimfa doctor hono. Ono no ene wababo tse Kennedy Japan yen kontomponi. Oyobia oka asema oniso. To the point, os Kennedy Japan were madu no mienu. I am maybe kwa kuna make say Kennedy e were madu no mienu a enka platforms for summit et temehrewa. Ya nana ofai me mo akwa papa. Say me kwaku e na metena ha. E bie ma no kan say Kennedy Japan wo ma adu no mienu. Enka platforms ahodo asomehrewa etete no te se ntomago namomene why na ekasai enipa okasai nye obi ase the spokesperson for Kennedy Japan's campaign papa ye friend Kwaku Alex ye friend Kwaku Tisemia and what I would say it is still possible. The Lord of Dr. Bawumia is now what? working on all the enemies of a man, a humble and a respectful and God-fearing man like Dr. Bawumia. Nkrofo mutu omu si ho mu peso begu n'anim ase no. Nyankopon Dr. Bawumia ni Nyankopon na yala no. It is working on them. Ene the TETTEH can you yento asuni ntin se mo kai.
To say medium one day na protect every week na would it doesn't mean say obekwa akoka bibia debi edo how we dey bebre nipa no so that is it it is how can say you no nenu nsam o kan nyina Ghana for Kennedy promise so me kan bibia the promise or the mouth so basically yes o si obi o kasa that's it. Not just a shot o can ne o kan wanu na o kan the fact of basic security doesn't mean say kodi boni eti o man mra ana say koye bibia obi na aye boni e na maropoto ama Ghana say nipa we oye nipa ya manyoni wa ye o man ne boni enti me Ghana ni enti momfa mo say citizen arrest enti me the petition aba uzie ade no akoka say ate me party ni na ade na wo ba bonten ka say ye bedu achi a ube we say ube secure ye
entity assembly ye po enam second Japan din krofo we ya shedan mu adotrinity omo say the only way you can become relevant e one MPP system no and it's obey attack the MPP leaders nankasa no. This foolish man he took it beyond what Kennedy told him. To the point he said, unim se nipa wudne dikene Japan wo kana asemi or contract ahodo ase kesi ye fefi ma he will be the first person that the Yoko will come after him. No wonder now he's with Mahama, he's leaking MPP secrets to Mahama. Surunti it is a wall estate papa iti hoi atente huri tuane to na wo koye wadwen se wo hyasia ko report amamfo a omo aye de ono aye bia. Do you think he will allow you to do that? Not because of the party. Is asem no free wanum. The thing is ono who say wo koye ade bi ete saase nipa wo ya wi o man sika ukotwa ntro di go bi so a Kennedy nim say amamfo betimi report no some contract bi mo onya ya enye unlawful. So papa kwasi ampanyin we nanim ti say so dwan you say we look at his face he trebi say nipa bi council and this man went to Yoko and reported MPP official to Yoko say wadi omansika entiyen mra meche na mfa no nko enkonkotum. And this man claims to be MPP man. And I make no, the MPP for Binuma Musu Mudi Kennedy appoints, you know. People now are reflex of the MPP. As a pan, I make a and Crofon Bibre no Mudi Kennedy Japan chi ewa MPP party no. Many of them say ye jaw muso muntra party num na sebio omo make you omo self relevant just for what they are capable of doing. They are people that will remain hidden in the party. They will never get any post because of how refreshed that they are. But se who be second de Japan it is only people who don't know what they actually are doing in the party that will come and follow you. Na ese kwasia Jimini paro. Ada so be mo wasu and obema wasere. I swear to my God. Jimini nipa wa Jimmy okwasia pa. Wama wa nsu a oma wasere. Anaso wama wa nsira oma usu. Enti ukofa papa we be gyina ho so medidi amamfo atema. Ujune say or control now. Do you think this guy have control in what comes from his mouth? Or do you think this man have control in what comes into his mind? Debebani mubia or sorry anoye. And any ene I ne walk in the Japan wona what chen was swap by ne o go wachi to say the when schoolmaster anya student a one ne ko e wo girlfriend ho Tipa ken eno na nam so a ama alestete atwe abawo so ti say the school master watch school boy a one no ekon e wo school girl bi ho etwe mpra. You see your life. Me akobi jima mo akwa pa. Ken, we told you. Ken Japan doesn't listen. And he always associates himself with people who are potential betrayers, people who are potentially liars. But he said, Maria Kuabodu. Enipo to me di na do na busham foni MPP mpanfo nyina atem kosi. Kennedy say politics is numbers. Enti a party enemy no akofa na be kana ho the MPP delegacy for more Ghana nyina omo number mano. Ken, don't do what you don't want people to do to you, to your neighbor. Don't ever do what you don't want people to do to you, to a close person. Because when you throw the stone against the wall, it bounces back against you. And that is actually what you're facing now. And now let's take the naje pregai. Let's take the na want to be control me. Let's take the na also the radio show ye interviewer. O cha wompo didi wa temche se wo ye nkontomponi. Enti obi ono nam obi ono utu ano diesim epia bonten at this crucial time ebe ka kire Ghana fo nyina so ye kontompo no ka asema woni so a. What do you think the delegates omo live far from you omo nimo no? What do you think they will say about you? O we fonsa na wo hwe wo de Wamo yonko enchankwa wono wuncha enkonkoduru. The all planning itself per se yam fanye Dr. Bawumiano. Eno bin ene. Eno bin ene. So Ashasi. Now it will not end here. More people will come out before this election to disalign themselves from Kennedy Japan's camp. Forget about the bloggers. Bloggers ni binum the 1,000 €1,000. Wokumomo. Many of the bloggers, man 1,000, 2,000 euro per month. Wokum no. There be obeso camera. Down there. Can I win? No argument. No answer wawene. MPP funds. Dr. Bawumian resign. Dr. Bawumian nye Ghana ni. Dr. Bawumian nye MPP ni. That is what they will come and say. But encrofono moti bibi kakra biase in politics, you know. They have started thinking. Say woody or more, you know. You are using them. You are fooling them. You are letting them put their lives at risk. And you are enjoying back home, sitting, watching them and enjoying whilst they put their life at risk. Yenti alestete. Ales fire ken fire no.
Na sa wo kan sam no wo wano keke ni ba mu bo ntimi nye ho aso. Enti so unim se ne ontimi protect no emfa wano nka.
Anything of free Canada.
That's it. That's when no man
can secure you.
They can secure. Obehwe me yakumi. Because yes, sana se kire se me yatwini ba. Me no nam na wo mageri ne ya ye nam na me hu se untimi protect me. Don so aka chem se anopa makofo oba no maka chem se me secure. Me take care of you. Na de chi no oba no ebehu no na ne nsam da abonten a na me da no bi ochi o.
Nsam wo kan ya.
Emu ne ye crime.
Owura Kennedy
kan bi ye crime. Ono fin se o ye ne party fo na ni be so na chen wo nti wo de wo koto abonten e ma ne party fo na gina tum. Never ye nya ne sa. It's a politics ye nya ne sa nya bibia na ye kan. Politics nya bibia na ye kan.
Sit okay, what admit it. Because who say
Missy,
what
maybe Diana, who ya penny out, penny, dear mante mate. What? And so on till ye. Penny ye. Bibi also baby one waka. Hey, massa, and now bet me secure me. Na me ho me ba matena ho ma obi akokumi na me ma na o ma be ka kire and there be yenye politics there be enti wo hu a age ne wonim nyansa ene wo hu sa signal na we eye warning eye flag red flag ye de kire wa ne wo hu ba bi a wo gina nya sa emwa politics yenye ne sa
wate Kennedy ne kan se we nyina kire no Dr. Bawumia nyankopon wa shira why Dr. Diuhere the 2029 January 7th at the Frastar Square, they will swear you in with Afra as the President of the Republic. Mimami British in Kansas and Mwakwa. But what you say, Alestete Neka say you. I call you to me grant interview 1 hour. No, did Dr. Bawumia tem no. I could also come around for 1 hour now. He never says, say, Dr. Bawumia and Trofo. Dr. Bawumia, you beer, or Kansama Uniso, on Kansada. The Okanyana ye, and now you're the Catini, and now your Mamprusini, and now that is what he said. But when the boss, now some or send a boss on you beer, or Sheba Uniso. Hey, Doctor, you go point out. You and your boss, Nana Danko Kufado, you guys are actually the true children of God. And whoever raises against you guys, God gradually bring them down. That is what is going on. Listen to what Alestete is saying to Kennedy Japan. Or say, fane krane ne nkwan koto ma afodie amfaso ni so. Me kwajo abrefa mesro me da sepa. Thank you too for being and supporting me. Me and Franco Fiwoso, me chapa. Good morning to you. Why none your first time about have your message about now subscribe to the channel. Sasa message for see. I don't man so said the beya. Your life, the video tomorrow benya krabo say ya ba na wa beka yo. Tio, and now let's say he's not a fool to follow Kennedy Japan because Kennedy has shown him say he cannot protect him. He cannot fulfill the words or the promise that he gives him. And he may lose his life if he follows Kennedy Japan. Oi, this is a big thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alestete Nekasayo, Nyamafu Nekasayo. This is Alestete, the right campaign manager of Kennedy Japan's campaign. The spokesperson for Kennedy Japan campaign, the Ashanti region campaign manager, the representative of Kennedy Japan in Kumasi, Ononekasei. We are just in September. We have 4 other months to go. Or more than that, 12. Yeah. We have 4 or 5 months to go. And this is what is going on. Kennedy Japan campaign a be pratete. We will see 17 will be more. I feel na manfo tumi ahye and make sense say the aim of Kennedy Japan is to use their faces to do his dirty job. Because I feel what he has said. So yes or no ankasa bekasa, he will be a squanch from the party. You be tuna say every party no. Enti wo Jimmy kakra no ape kakra the amount. Now will cancel phone in his name against his own party. Enti ya to cover himself no. Now wakane in the front of the people say he is not the person behind that. Unity. Famfu. Hey, ready to go for unity, famfu. Any rasta cool, any rasta fool. Any rasta cool, any rasta fool, any rasta cool. Rasta cool and a Rasta fool. I into your fam fool for now. No, I join your more. No, I break the brain into their mind to be fam fools. No more can pass your sem. MPP enya sama no more jubility. MPP lose by election or Kwetiana Kennedy Japan platforms. They are jubilating. Now, joining the ultima. What will make you jubilate? I didn't tell jubilate here. Was it nipa na me support no ne party a lose seat? We are poor. See this kind of we are poor. And we can as anticasa we say. And I bono kasem. We are meh. We are meh. Say the party which you want your leader to hold the flag of that party to contest for the 2028 election. Okwa abato no lususitia na waniaje. And you want to tell me that you're an MPP man. And you don't want me to understand, say you are only talking for your stupid, ignorant stomach. Yantu asunti arrested today, here.
Se wo devote ho akobo obi nya se ono ne ma osika nya wonti ne fi ono ka mu na wo de wo ho den ni we kobo ano na waye niema ebetumi ama wawu o life efrunsa na wo se na wano na ne nsese nka wo bie me wa mie na no anka se dada yedi na chigina yes minim se me ye bibia with man cost so what I say
eti obi beka say I will secure you doesn't mean say
a word
it doesn't mean say Kodi bone na bra no secure.
Majeri. Bone ni se
etia bia da wo ye no. Etia the party mra. Etia the
party for Bible say dey atembu be free. Ye fie wo so dey be free ni fie dey be free asofo so. Unkonfo ni yakromfo unzu preach say ye honesty ma republic. Na ne wo kan metie wenum asem say da bi. Ene papa we ye di na chi a oye correct. Na unkonfo ni wiade ne aka wo say da bi. Say be unkonfo ni kra say ne wo kan no etwa butu. Asem me na wo kan no. Nti mintie ne wo o na na chase ne wo kan abondin nyina no mitie wa eye kasa keke yenye ne sa majeri asembe na okay politics ni eye no enti wonim se yesi wontimi inspire a enchro yedi wachi yan ye bedi wachi
wo de ba na kono no support o
yedin keke yedin keke menka ase support me se menya akola bet ensese nye wudin na mde kokasa wudin ye Kennedy midin ye kwaku Alex enti nipa no waye tese wedi Ghana bone enti makoka bibia se ho trouble ba eyeme me ni krom ya me busa se me wo krom ha me masa asisemu yi majeri masa asisemu ya edan yi sie ya ho ba amansun ye court se me tie yesi semira ne ko sha ase se me medidi baomi atem enti no ye judge no ye ma me contempt as ye remand me 2 weeks your friends say court on the floor say near high court in Chen ho no police station work at high court in Chen ministries ni Kennedy fie say walking distance Kennedy ama ho no so what nya so want ni fie for from what wa ama ho ye politics
wa ma ba wi
me mfa ho eno de ye me meja pade ho na me bo ho ban na ye chi papa no ko wi asika no papa na ono se train
papa na yesusu se
osusu se train ya nam from crime before to railways ni na o se scan ya nam wie ni nam from po yantimi anye na ni nam wie na obetimi aye eno Kennedy de akire se ye nko na ko beli no busa ne ya ko busa no se papa na wo preach se ye sani ma we mu na nye na nipa na wa bokro no a wo de wajapade e kusia no
nipa no ojo mokro no
wa heden
e bi o mokro no
enti
katara ka so bokro no bi ta kwata no bokro no me makwa na tese ba bokro me
o man sika so de yes ka twe ye hu ade no wo wie ma sika na heden e fa wan so
afa ni ye twa na ka so bokro no zeze edi tu no gina kwata ye di na sem
ni case ni heden
ni case na betimi ya kire se and ye di bibi to so a eno nkire se we are guilty
you bet sanity
court of competent jurisdiction we are guilty it is how can say anybody bokro
court ye di aban tu na show say ye juma ma aban wan ti na
bokro no yo and they win to me
ye ti krom
ye court ne na be kire
enti me masem ne say se me sa nneoma ne si a me de ne wo beka chem ne no nam de adwuma ho se unim se ena me ka sa de ne si ye no man fa anya sam because eno ye megapade ho asem na meka enti se obeba ho se wo ma ho good eno nye me masem because Raf onua Raf oba ho na nipa na ho ye adwuma ma no mponya asem no wantimi amba bet ne ono kodi ba omi achi wo fa wo krata di kodi nachi eko Simon na ne ono di ne moja anopa awie anwumre eye adwuma ma no no nya asem a untimi nkro na wasan so kokam bibia obi dia ba bebo ntirimaku a wo sesel me sabio me yabo anti no na me nim baby esem na aden obi chiro letter na odi kodi obi achi ana dabi eya majo ni ntia ye party ne ye enti wo hwe ne aninim de wa anim ne obetimi aye bibi no akodi nachi but se wo be ye wiase ne manyina na wo ka asem na wontimi ndi asem ne so a na aden obi chiro letter na odi kodi obi achi ana dabi eya majo ni ntia ye party ne ye enti wo hwe ne aninim de wa anim ne obetimi aye bibi no akodi nachi but se wo be ye wiase ne manyina na wo ka asem na wontimi ndi asem ne so a no
Entabusian for we ekoma all the delegates and the MPP communicators are hodo amamfo a my margin say you don't want to learn sense. Namubudi say Canada Japan believes to become a president in 2029 or the margin in Diagrono. Where it is coming from one of the men can the vocal people for Canada Japan. You can't take away TETTEH from that. You can never take away TETTEH. But he has even denied him. Yet in the tomb, no one call cross or quack head. Tibio one call so yet or quack or head no crampon or cosano. And to the for Kennedy Dean and did some phone in the MPP. I told you, ye be was ye be pamua free party num. Ye be two sa a free party num. Na nipa na nam no so ye two sa no. No that's one nam ho. Ono wa ye wie when ya who say twem in the almighty name of the MPP. Enti mo amudi na chi amoye campaign man no ohun se mo come ye funu come ne demo. Come ne demo. Enti kwans de ye bebo bia mamo. Because the rich men, they believe say every hungry man is an angry man, and every angry man is emotionally disrupted. Already Jacopo, yeah. Listen to me carefully. Every rich man believes say every hungry man is an angry man, and the rich man believes say every angry man is mentally unstable and also disrupted in terms of connection, mindset, assay, and enamho. So ye the mobile kwasi adwuma na say mu din, assay mo identity ne mo reputations are building in the society. We are near tumo what is a baller near jamo. And papa iken. Yet the kotu no Canadians ho identity so ya poa. Unye nipa oye hiani ohu hiano. Because what is TETTEH oti hoi business ya uye ebi media me yeso na wo cars na to fit America de baga na beton. That is all what you do. But I'm so ye vocal. Now to me cancel from some no a shitty champagne for na umwa dear, now won't feria dear, na won't suru pain for him. Now to me can wadrin the champagne for who to me can the opedidi or Montino. Ken is using you just to do the job that he wants to do a year, how to secure more contract in the next MPP government. Mudia Musumo Jimmy, Munsuansa, Montana ho, the Yusumo. Your baby trouble. Me, I've always say, this time around, I will not insult Kennedy Japan. I will not insult Brian Champon. I will not insult Kwabra Japan. I will not insult nobody, the leadership. But followers now more Jimmy. I will always, that means I will be a trouble. Because the catcher must say, be no more Jimmy in the following, the way that you have branded following Kennedy Japan, a Jimmy no Montiasia. This is the example for those people. At the end, you eat breakfast. Last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Why yo? Wait. A breakfast naba. Now busham for ye. Your money him to the next topic. Abusia, Hopeson Adorye ne. Ye Hopeson Anyebi Totobi Anyebi Hopeson defender. This time, you would have Hopeson a communication member for the NDC, a official. This time around, Hopeson Adorye is an official communicator for the NDC. Abusia the essence say, Nano yako akwatia by election. Akokura bi papa panyina akokura pa. Ekoto nensa edibo vice chairman of the MPP. Fancy wa osanso kotrete another minority leader of parliament. In all this case, Hopeson Adorye say the papa ni ye no ye ni ye. Now, I've packed some video that I want to show you. First of all, ye kasa for ye we are ye babe kasa fa. Nsembi ye koso of Fanko Road no. John Mahama kwa kudintro, but still Hopeson Adorye stays in to defend John Mahama. You see, Hopeson your official communicator for the NDC. Into 2028, campaign na yebeye no. We young people in our platform, sure. Remember in your mind, say you will meet Hopeson Adorye or baby your counterpart or no be debate. Say Mahama, you're right. Look at what this man did. Papa Nefen Azokaro. Me and Yantuwa I want you to understand well. Say the beya, you tear the Hopeson Kana, to make a decision out of what Hopeson Adorye is doing. Look at this.
So me who say Azoka no oba akotia. Me Alaji Masoud me see me mbatamale. Na Azoka to me ba akotia. Me who say so munkachira Azoka say munkachira
Azoka yiri shelan yerma mponna anyaba mponna yiri anyaba ma kanjel pona ne list bi se kan nyabla
Azoka
your mother I say your mother I say your mother
brother
look mponna anyaba ma
Yes, I'm here Kakari TV. Eske me wako abapa. It is a video we are. Look at the attitude of that 70-year-old man. Very rude. Very, very, very rude. Very uncivilized act of human being. But when you know, Hopeson Adorye was defending. Let me show you another video. Listen to this video too.
Omisi afenyama ka baha mi dona ka betun wa ha ye be ye by election krum wallahi ye ko ye friend say ye police station mo ka che so wa ha aka betun wa ha mi dona afenyama ka be by election krum. We are ready for that. If you are not respecting the police, wallahi we do by election is constituency. Why lucky ye ba no omunia
entity papa panyin o kan semfo anti say na wo Hopeson Adorye wo so ye political strategist na utimi ehwe niema we ya papa panyin we ye na Hopeson Adorye timi kotena se on in national TV UTV so it defended the art of this type or in the name of praising NDC, trying to make NDC look good and condemn MPP. What my Hopeson Adorye do and here depend. The video, no, listen.
Enya ho loan I say
leader saka obeto no ho a say minority leader bibi mpo na wani anye ho a
enti video we mu no you will see two things panyin otu efenu Kofi Ofosu Nkansah. He's a very good guy and a very intelligent communicator and I know on Hopeson ko share on YouTube and on mo kasafa papa we ne nsem money ana odi e wo akwatia maami ama mo akwa papa. Yeah, in fact, you have made a very serious mistake, a very serious caution. That man, he was supposed to be arrested there immediately. But Hopeson Adorye could pay more UTV so Hopeson was trying to justify and kwasi adene mo ade we ya papa panyin we. Papa utru mu nyina fudwere. No ye no. This Hopeson Adorye was trying to justify. Ti asemana Ofosu Kofi Nkansah ka na ti the Hopeson so ekaye e de fa ho yentie
say wo ka enye threat na say wo de be adwuma na ade ade sa confusion ni ba ye na ye say omko police station na NDC fo poster aye de e bo ho na mo say da bi ye convention say to aba okrum ha no ba bi e to aba na de party poster anye de e mo ho so for NDC ni bi ama e me contest sa fact ni say ampa na de ne mo police station ho
send waka asem de day enye sa na ti o wo mo kokko hu posters no ho na why poster no electoral law etrese obie di ho a obetima so obi political party poster mu awai waya is a crime wonim it is all kwakodu honum na se bibisa honum na se ye
poster bo
ye police or electoral officials no ko omuni hu kwan police pe ana mo bona mane a ono ebetima baba eden ebetima baba wo ye free ho se wo ye individual na wa akokọ waya wa commit crime so the committee a ehun sunsanso ho
ntare no report to police na ko shoot threat
na ade no no de wan kwa report ade na penyo market san ko report ma police
afenyo market on threatin obi a
wa ko wa so wa ko wa post
report no
e minority say a lawyer you
should me gidi say ntiamra ba free say ntiamra no ko report
yes what try say we contest parliament
what is say why and the baby e to aba ntomo nyina bet ma reach consensus you any ho any dey
so no one reach consensus
we are not there
Kofi we
are not there
who
yes
who what be anya kawan
now I understand poster bo police
so who what
Kofi omo nyina ka omo no atuma ma waka wasem wi Oru Adorye kasa say mpo bibini na wonya you're holding your phone just type it because omo why no eno justify azoka actions
na o committee crime what
say
but me fact say camera sin so no doesn't mean say it didn't happen
azoka ko to twede
say unhappy na azoka ko to twede ofiti ya no ko to twede abna ofiti ya no ko to twede wo butina wo ni yesi answer omo ma camera no so di ahwe omo
kanche me yenim tika
dago ma sem na no work no wasi odi agro sabi wo be du ma me wa ha say dago ma sem na no work no because a Bibian see and one nam hokwa no sorry no akase your mother ni e kai ka ho
bugare kan say
wa mother one ase dey
azoka wontie ye Hopeson a very dishonest man when wabusia video no me with the full footage of the video Masa Wood, MPP, you know, he was granting an interview, and 9 minutes of interview. Eka base 2 minutes over baby, you know, and I saw Zoka ne be PM. And na papa yi ka say nema baha na Zoka nso abaha ya. We are doing something peaceful. E ho na akoye adwa no maso ne bo. Me see my video no. A 9 minutes long video. Because I'm a boni nyina, it will spend a lot of time. But Hopeson Adorye be ka kire yen say papa ni dikan kodi di Zoka na tema enye no kore oboa. My full or channel me post full video now to my channel also. Because Azoka came in whilst this man was granting an interview, telling said that everything is in order, everything is going on well. Azoka free him by your mother. Papa penny when you do na kwasi penny be so any thing in apa abetra TV so defend it. Say obia bone. So take for tact. Bone ben na why you say I heard say why in the come out here there. Yanto Adorye.
Kofi, I don't like what you're doing.
Say Azoka na bodamuntina or call sana. Me conquer support to say obi.
I think say Azoka wa bodam because for real. Me see my video and footage in my hearing. Masa Wood was not even thinking about Azoka in his interview. And he said, "Oh, can I say that papa wa bodam?" According to your words, you know. So if it tia ne koso papa ne bo na it say wa bodam dia. And the papa ne bodam for. Because that is actually what happened. Yantuado.
In the first place, no, yeah, condemn the Inapreco. One conquer yadiano, no, I don't know how about the pre victim. Some matrodiaco. Ah, now you won't be seen as a sabocasi and Cocha Fenno Markets in the General Secretary.
Cochino, but any violent and Cobo.
Yeah, but you
so evidence of Cochino. But Uncle Bob, you in the democracy, we are not in the jungle. Yes, also, what is why I be
what with your politician?
Men respond.
What is your politician?
What is the
and maybe I'm not the
say post an assembly now, say minority leader, no.
That's right. Wouldn't you say be show before? That's a bomber sumuna me kwa report to crowd. That sense say mamma extreme provocation no make medical.
So
lawyer can be lose cases.
Hopeson asema okay entro. You self-defense, it is only activated when somebody attack you, not verbally, but I mean by action. Hopeson, we in contemporary. Yeah, so
Hopeson.
Who provoke be extremely. Maybe Padubawa. What is out the local police station? Extreme provocation in law and a crime. What could provoke be?
Maybe I support question me more pa. Maybe Vivian Kuma say, why is he always shouting? Not here. Now see me Koshiano wo Vim lady in the show so. Oh, Kasakura Mount Kasa not yet. It's like Papa, we believe we say by shouting you get whatever you need. He's less than a child.
Then the panel, yes, what you want to say, million. Tabuan Kobo
be unprovoked.
A dream will gather than so
70 years ago.
What's it?
Azoka 70 years. Just trying to justify.
It's not justifying Azoka violence.
Yes, sir.
Well, no. Yes, your mother didn't say serious no. And I'm on for who ye. Me say what happened before or say your mother. Such a minute, son, I can't run and pick it.
Please, so can be one.
Please, me say I don't know what can one way anymore. And maybe I say in a busy. BBC, etin a provocuna, a cosa. So let us condemn all. We are going to tell you, no.
Dabi Hopeson, as same way there, you are making a very big mistake because I have watched the whole video and I can tell you on authority say the man had an interview of 9 minutes. Na Azoka kura semuni mukura. It was all different things that the man was talking about.
Now, what are you evidence? Me condemn.
When you say obi ekoti obi eye poster nipa no obetimi akọ prison for 6 months. So you aware?
Instead na report no.
Are you aware?
We didn't pakwa.
It's half a no marking. Or your candidate for prison. For 6 months.
Oh, evidence.
Half a no marking.
Then I just want
to or your candidate for prison for 6 months.
On net say
well, so I'm not saying
Niabede Janessa or not no. It's all a candidate after your marking minority, mini micro minority leader. He is a candidate for prison. So could be facing I don't know a posters.
Look, a lot of people will be exposed in this country because that man for fee say, oh, ya buying the Washington, yet me BBI, especially energy ministry. Look, because say omuba abamu fufuro na me call Jonjina office me duru hwa na omutive director eja on ode ayitu na nimti me excuse omo di nkomo kakra na later o me call hey abra wo hwe me ma na egu paper no so a na ehu papa chese yetimi ma contract to the tune of 9 billion a nipa no kra no enye registered company me na me ka kire na me nim Nyama bia ekoso nyina will be exposed so on yet no eti Ghana for ebe bia ka se corruption ekumoman nanso so saban bi ba na wo tackle corruption na ni ya sa sorry agina ban no kon so na den na mo chichi wo mo ade ne say where da background ya say Rambo star na one fa measure sa ebe ma dipa na fili na de wo tie akire no so be ka se se man hwe na se aban sesa the omodi be ya me no say the ede nipa na how do we fight corruption? Look, Attorney General I know at the appropriate time will come out then you can saying amount for this 8 months or what to recover it will shock people. Aba for Jana mo chiche mo move kokoti ni yakeka eye boko ebeba but sika wo mo amount for fa chira ko tuatua eje sika ketwa. This is what we want. Ya Jessica no. Any omo eno so ye pese ye hu. No obi nkoko te bere no. Oh, okay. Wo pese everybody wa. Wo ni nkoko o ma kokko tuatua. Ye pese ye hu. Wo say? Ye no kre. You see aya na mo pushi ni pa na ya ba be. Asa mo kokko te bere no ko ye plea bag na ko chesa. Oh, we dey say na wo be ni pa na ko hu say me pese me tua. No different from say me. Asa mo ti wo be. Asa ko chesa anya no kre because say me court. Anya no kre. A court the big boy for first camera. Attorney General featuring on me say I am saying it on authority say some of your appointees akokutua. Enye no kre.
Oh na say no man.
I just what was saying no kre. Attorney General there are some people who are willing. Some for and then American no kaze ebia wakodi hu nkomo na nkase wo tia anya do kre na mfichire na eji abansi mfichire abana please mfichire na Attorney General kwakwaje abansi you see this is Attorney General needs out of ignorance say obeka say out of ignorance what they can OSP when you watch over court you go over court confidence say dey asem that na yes Attorney General say people are willing to pay or no sa no yan convict wo inform konko to prison I don't know say yan inform konko to kra na say no mo be kokoto no wo sika die okay charge we na de born no watimi atua sika ni say yes sir na mranik oh please yes sir na mranik what's your amra ye nyina nsu be
na wo jalo
ya what's your amra e ka say na mati ana no ka ni organa wo so to one mo ka
political system
the chief in the
Dr. Dufodi making this very difficult
Dr. Dufodi
don't do what you're doing you will have your time
if you want to mo treat omo ya me hu nkofo nti person me bo mu ana me person me jampo gan before Attorney General problem
Kofi I don't think you're being fair on the show.
Me kasa mo be wan kasa wo dey to aso dey.
Ade nipa no mo dey ye wa me ami gina mo kan say. Obi am to ne bona udu.
To aso na dey ma me time na me.
Why you doing that?
They say una wan see me no.
My friend Osofo Abrobe. I say bia be ka bia be wo. Eti wan show ho so.
Enti se wutie ne yi a Hopeson entro na odi. Onim hwe e fa ne nsem o kan ho. And I will expose, mention name unless here. But Hopeson na question and the dia me no ka say. A DBNDC be bia to Hopeson Adorye no. They are doing it right. Now there's another thing I caution because me I cannot believe how Hopeson Adorye can come out and defend such a stupid conduct of a man called Azoka. And upon all what I've told you, video in my head, you know, I'm sure that I already the pressure, but now I saw I must have wood on a book because I didn't want it to spend much time on the video. Send me the Betrayal. Did me catch that was say Hopeson throw no D video no. If I can, I will post it on my channel tomorrow so that people can watch the video themselves and see. Say Azoka is a violent man, and the police must arrest that man. Now, you to ask you, Enra, the same BSC or Ghana, one of the major Tennessee pan say, John Mahama and throw near dear or young contumpo papa ni yen contumpo ni pa. Papa John Mahama, ubedi Ghana kunya. Nana nano danko kufuado de Ofanko road dualization ama contractor or the contractor ko site we sika mana ogusu a oye adwuma. Mahama betra konwa mo si dabi ye ba beye auditing enti contractors nsan kofie ye ma mosika ena the ofano contractor no esesa ne nema kofie. Ensuo koto ye maka akwan ne se ye ma ne beye national debate. Emano ACC maso kakra wo Jubilee House wa masori atam sika de akwa koma contractor no. Mahama ne hwehwe ni mu enra osi okọ site akọhwe ho. Okọ ho a de okọ kan se MPP abayen dikan agi sika adi a omo amaya mfanye ka akwan no abra nya sa na tie. Ene wura se nsubu ache nso ba abonten ebe kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ dabi ente saa ɛyɛ sika a sabiu ɔmogye yɛ no entimi nyɛ kwan nyina nwie enti baabi etumi yɛ duru no ɛho sika ɔmo atua ama contractor no ɛwɔ sɛ aban we na mfa bi nka ho na yɛ complete bra Hopeson Adorye ɛbɛtena TV so ɛna he defending sɛ MPP for diska now the any can take Mahama Nsati.
A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds.
Anyway, nice of course, some
contractor and no contractor no in free site no and I'm a coffee delay because
and nipa no ka say eye Asensu Buache, the former minister of road and Ebekaya. Now let's go to UTV to this morning. MPP ni Kofi Nkansah any hopes in Kushiaye and omo di sasem we hon command no creda di pefe say Ntrona Mahamedi because me I have even sabi we ha echere kwanya ye fa so ye the 200 million command contractor so mfa enyi sa of fankonsa wam road no no ye but aban we ba ye na obepam omo say omo pese omo nye audit now ye mfa wensi ho na ye nko ye nim na ye ntie nsem a Hopeson Adorye kan ye e de fa asem we ho ene kwanya Kofi Nkansah fa so expose Hopeson Adorye once again ntie.
Let's say omuwie July 2024 kese obuwie mo commission grants ya koto aba enso so no antima manisa na we medical tie Rose Minister ano sisi kanu omkokwaje krasa omde baba yade no sika na bi ho asa mehwa ekwan isusu no ye nuru ba bia eji sika no wahi efa hefa contractor already certificate ahodo a wo pay also say okay aban wundu ade ane me so mapemba biada eti wanti ana eya ndi sitamu yawo eya ndi sitamu ya no tidayo next we wie kwan no July 2024 eti before elections no na contractor enya sikanti no no won trene ho enye kwan no eti the current road minister anu oye ya na mte se omakwakutua be 77 million so e dia ma contractor na chese was time apake ne miama kwakusi honom until say president ko honom e kokoye sa inspection no say o the completion date na kusan ko 2026 eti yemfa ne say almost 1 year for the completion. We are praying say nyankopon be yadom ama sa kwan we etimato so because kwan no enye just linking Accra and Kumasi keko international road so on there no omo free Burkina Niger Hifa ebe fa nneoma wa nyina akọ nyina eye honum ana omufa na se okọ Kumasi ufri Kumasi ba Accra no watimi de be say 2.5 hours and 3 hours ababedru in Sawam dan Sawam to Accra no be say 3 hours 4 hours I mean it doesn't make sense and you know we know yen konko kano politics bebre all we need is abaya timi a secure funds e dia mano dia kwakoshe big push or motwa about 14 billion e dia to honum say omfanya kwan for this year ni dia then I think say say omutimi e pushi contractor no timi e adwuma contractor no matter say we good chese but you know se sikano ma ono ade ni sika ni shemu ana fe ma obon se wono so betiada enti e besre senior president Mahama Ashebo na Rose minister so Ashebo no omo eni boshe no so na yentimi wie sa kwan no na enya yi na o hwebra na sa kwan na ngasa kra no akokoye kan say retirement package kra the former president Otuno Okonukromo be fast amana kwa advantage
kwa no ne me kwa so no o se je go for ye adenta to manfe ya they like to see wura musa akwa dru kro no ya yo kwa like to see kro wura mu
is there no going to
oh but that time na one two foundation gra and so service no wa I hope is there Bolima mo kwado say the light message
you see let's make it clear also work no omokoji sika
yes
sika no yehu ba bi sika na
mansa me be chire mu na dia ma me wa kan dia
kwan sabi anwen
scanning na ya use
ana ban ba ye
president ni minister na omati omunyina omati me be chire
so ka se kufu ado na ya isi
me so me be tam wate
no so me put
it on record
say mama na nya na adwene se ombe ba be ka kire nsi
and I'm going to prove it
omo kasa because can nobody was sent for cry you ano and show you have been out
of
yes some people who end up in prison you people
are not in prison
some people who end up in prison
you see Abel this
I'm waiting for you.
This Kufuor na ye Mahama na ye no and no na etwe ye ko
that's how he started
it should not even come in now ye kwan no na fe wo ka bibia
ko jodi politics e was me here
Kofi Kufuor is not in power
want
me wie kwan no
records no ho
say ye kwan na ye gina let us support say kwan be so ne be fa ye be wie kwan no eno no ye better say Kufuor na ye ne why ye ne ko si say why ye kwan no kwan no why ye etino ye fa sa de no entu ye
ask him the relevant questions
Ona be chere
abana
so person me
relevant
me ye meju time ama wakasa
power asem ko do ye
wanye de ya
me that say let me say me very disappointed in the leadership of the country since independence over how we have tackled construction of roads, especially our major highways.
Okay.
Including
your party.
Yes.
Okay.
But come on social media that say we should be ashamed of ourselves. A kwanya individualize a major highways and intino. The be any people also. Where this young Kalay Omku Obogui. Ebe Kuruma Asante Achim. In fact, they say Asante Achim just Achim 3 e ho na south. So enti o hwe your records na nye President Akufo time na odualize nkoko part no ni oyi nkoko bypass na osan yi insawam part nti kwano so nyina free ofanko we kurom de ni free ma free insawam ko sirim no sa pass ya President Akufo dualize nkwana na ya ya dualize na President Akufo arubaye na wo ye akwan ahodo aban abna akwan ahodo na President Akufo started so ye no ochichem your asphalt overlays oko cantonments tesa no me ba me fa baby kama timi so onam krom ya kukwan no so utimi nkase ya ye kwan na ye the asphalt abegusu nti wo kan ya kwan ya won kan ka ho because aban sika na ade ye den wo de koye ye asphalt overlay e kwan ye won kan nyina ya asphalt overlay because en kan kwan no 90% ye kwan dada iti yasa aban sika ye no road engineers no civil engineers no more highways no mo ya omo chichem your asphalt overlay your construction fufro kra your graveling and regraveling oko nkrase ni bi wo ha do mu hia no nti na ye to drip machines no wo de gravels gusu ma na wo kuno they are chippings no obefa so kono fu mo ye okay o hia obi tu me na asphalt na wo de gu cantonments na airports no o hia no yes some partial reconstruction as I yes some sort of rehabilitation and sana reconstruction and na rehabilitation sa ofankonse won kwan ye kan rehabilitation because I kwan da order that Akufo at the time rehabilitation kwan ye 1666,500 kilometers 1665 1665 kilometers it is a kayitimi wie sa ofanko kwan ya nka sa rehabilitation okay the baba ye den e baba kan
nti de wa bono more rehabilitation
because we need completed if one call you free 70% it's completed and come resealing yes hey and no president Mahama ne minister ne roads engineers ko you see na mistake here say technocrats no road ministry ho no o ma na ho they no ye monitoring and evaluation director a osusu kwan no ko measure any consultant say no a measure ma ona bo asenso na ona bo am accountant no na measure ma ona bo new road minister. So
mono na de two just about 70%.
Minister be no ha say be obefa ibibia kususu kwan. Say ayewe. Of course. So when you expect. So what you say because say bia bridge ne overhead any amana
any pillars near the nyina
exactly e country na ka
so what you project
ko nyamo say
kra no
Abraham kasa na me start 70% kojo now 70% na the only thing na president Mahama kan
oh menye sa
30%
Abraham ye kwan bi wo ha wo ya for instance bypass yako kumase no say NDC for ba mo so munye o mo ko start for free no me hu say be logic be o mu me kind completion of each of the sessions na ma and also about 70% ebu o ha na ekwan no ba bia bedu no amena bi eda ho bi the bridge nkwan e be 50% of the road into we bridge na so kata kwan no so asphalt na de be guso no bia no yes and the other 50% in the fact say emfa quota nguso no enche say no 70% speak to the experts and the road engineers any Ministry of Roads and Highways records monitoring and evaluation director na osusu kwan no na asensusu ama new road minister Krefani saying so what is Honorable Abuja President Mahama kwa waka iti yakase ye 13,624 kilometers
airports ka ho
kojo
enchichemu o machire gravels de no se won ba no mon Philip tools na mon ye regraveling any ade list na mechanic tools bi anim nti no ye misrepresentation. This is an official record from the ministry. You can go for it. Me ba me chen kwaku ba ko mikuta me documents afei mo se mo be big push no mo budget kra mo aye for big push no enu even 50% of MPP for road budget kra for last year afei nyina mo ntwa contractors ka ofanko ni nsa wo mu kwan ya de dabaso nkwan na mo akwa kutua afei mo se ya je loan adi enye no kra ekwan total cost of construction $346 million.
And could you won't speak it to the fact say Omampenyin said that
Kofi.
No, maybe.
Sorry, Kofi or Hodi air contract to accept.
Yes, maybe. Make it come back. Yeah, no. Now initial completion date July 2024 and I'm revising it call May 2025. Yeah, Obia or Tessa Quan is be a me kono wona mte. It's me faso da me mpe we mufa bistro. Enim say ye beto abani nyina na ye kwani gidigidi no mukuso. Mo na mo ba ye na because someone settle ye. Afi na mo ye mo budget allocations na mo flagship program kra mo nyi allocation bia enti no. Mo ja 8 months aye dan to. So gold board na other ones na hia mo de mo ba ye bo so me na mo pass act. Na mo time sika e ko ye na mo de start na mo de ye mo ye. Yes.
Oboa.
Eti e ho hia mo so de na me boa. No, we was as gross.
Introduce me. What's the question?
No, I
am not for I am for movement for change.
Now, you cannot tell me how. Correct me.
Contractor nankasa kase me correct no my report must say the fact say you didn't can say kwan no onye they are two different things. No Hopeson only honorable Alan campaign
he's misrepresenting the facts.
How many times now kokono?
2 weeks biam kokono.
How many times now kokono? How many times do you go to?
Na time me go no challenge me on that fact.
Bisa kono go say omuvu me oha. Bisa almost omuvu me.
So what you say? Eti abana. Jaro, you na achire no. Eti abana nye sabi aban foforo ba obeye budget. Eniama be slow kakra nsa na why dey what take off. Nka e bia nka MPP amana eto aso a nka kwan na e bia nka e den. Ya wie.
Wow.
Because no mo to aso 70% completion. Anya secretary. Afi, almost akoje $750 million from Afroexim. Ye discount. Enya no kre. Size kan e koje ye no.
Afroexim and Afroexim.
Afroexim. Enyichiche mu ni ofan council one road. Ne die wo me $200 million. Edwo kono bypass 75. Akufo adukuru ya na eye 4 bypasses. Me wi ameba ho. So am interchange $47 million.
Kofi.
Na ade a o ma ya ma kojo asan ya secretary. O ma interrupt. Kojo asan baba.
Me ma ye nya ba.
So interchange. Stadium interchange. Stadium ya dey our Africa Games 140 million. Anti President Mahama hand over no so man Minister of Roads and Family ye. Say sa of ankokwan no. Sika Afroexim ye reto no $200 million per enti me nyina. Ochi odi $200 million na ko cheche 346 total and my 70%. Enti ye no na ya ye ho enkonta. De aka no why aban wa ba 30% no ka no. Wo beto aso. Aban pie ni ho a wa ba o man yi mu a why record in road construction it is about
70%.
No government.
Maybe 70%.
We are dualizing the economy.
Mutu ya the ma a contractor na.
Oh yes, of
course. Of
course.
In the 30% na.
Of course.
In 70% na so we juma no we ejai.
Variation woman. They should go and bring the report. Because most scan yedi. As if say project na cost na $200 million. Omunim say $750 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 projects. Any of the year. It's handing over no Minister of Roads, one former President Mahama, and I'm a president, Sebi. What come misrepresenting information? And also, I'm completion rate in Chemo. Bypass 4 you know.
It's a ninja so far there from ASR Sikano Mokoje there.
Yes, all the 1 minute.
Complete.
Yeah, complete because any total budget no. Oh, 346 million road projects. Na say oh 200 million. How dey be here? Onye bypasses for a near dualization. MPP Nkwani Abanya, ye started dualization of roads in this country. Major highways, yes, started Kaswa to win by clip cause and also maba montoaso. Monfa MA brofo big push me kwa mo ye. Osino bypass, ya 78%. eso mo to aso na yetimi fa so na enkwanya nija
mimi kuro no si no 78%. Asema na okay. Mimi kuro no si no.
Yes.
Jajani Africa. Jai.
From the Ministry of Roads. Challenge me.
What lies is this?
Abna. 100%.
MPP are using about
bypass 63%. Bypass 80%. Next time oba amunya research. Massa akwa. Ministry of Roads.
I can tell you that you could be. MPP for natural.
Ministry of Roads. Abna. Next year okay. No mo kojo omro. Ntimi conclude no. Akufo-Addo record growth oye ye ne nani suadi hunu a ohun se enkwanhia na ade sinti mi bie kwa president kofo bie mti enso ebie no aban na ba on hweso no onye ne ntamu ntwa contractors ka ene anopa mini contractor kasai contractors o na mu ntwa o mo ka
see the contractors
from contractor o complain because mo ba ye no apart from is one of anko de ye de ba ho na ba na mu ntwa obi aka ona bo atofo se na adwen se o spend there e be affect inflation e be affect exchange rate it is statutory allocations in kwa no ye e kwa we dede ma ho anko nye enti wo mo nkoto aka so kepozie no so na nye dualize na afi bypass na ye enan a ye kikansi mo ebetima kokuma se jojo no o munyai se amo so mo koye 6 lane expressway foforo na no mo be cause financial loss ama aban sika na wakobobo se afrezem aye kwana do 70% no make dualization of the through the bypasses then one say na say me abana wati bi da ya aye kwan kwoto aso house me be yes
abana the time
emre kwa ukoyi tu na ebi dada for be fa we so na we nso afa we so na ka die nhia kwanhia ba bebiem enti wo say Ghana for the pressure eto president Mahama ban no so no mo kwoto aso ni we bypasses no say da be ya kwanhia na be ya na sa since interchange highway no mo
time no
yes
adenti na within that period and your man yan ntama ma na mfiri ho no
ye ba ye no akwan ya me chiche mu kire o me do 12,000 kilometers untimi nyeni nyana dako aban bi e no obetimi de 8 years of anko kwan ye starting in 2022 late 2022 or middle of 2022 eti ohwe project timelines na amo ho pisa because enye sabi January 2017 and this for because say mobile 8 years monye na mobile 16 years before say ba na dem man dualize na dem man dualize
just a quick
aba we cry so mama double time because omo me no omo can the same thing
nipa me say nyina mo tete me
it is also
that's way two against one
it is also not
me Adorye movement
maybe opposition ni
ene ye
me ne wa adwene
exactly
what you say me na adwene emom dan ti untimi nka say you two against one
yeah.
I am from opposition party
yeah
I am not in government but adibi wo hodum na say a factor you state it
entabusian for se utie nsema yewura Mahama ko kan ye ene asema Kofi Ofosu Nkansah kan ye ya e chiro professor Mahama di ntro but Hopeson Adorye how now ye NDC communicator or the movement for change akata nanim a person defend in fact so here NDC ni not hona wa relaxing. Why is he relaxing? He's relaxing because Hopeson Adorye is indirectly representing the NDC on the panel and he is actually the person who is defending lies and throw a certain president Nkansah it because just site it because this issue about the road near Ofanko in Sawam Road 200 million it is 750 million now MPP are buying a was spending in on Ofanko in Sawam Road but or spendi be or Ejiso Kolongo Road or spendi be in Sawam Apedja Road project or spendi be war Swami interchange and local road network project or spendi be war Flower Port interchange Legon Accra or spendi be Sofo Line interchange or spendi be war Kwabenya Peduasi Road or spendi be war Eastern Corridor Road Abina Fasa 700 million na John Mahama say yajina ye dinayam complete road no enye Ofanko Sawam Road no kwa eno de we na chiro say John Mahama entro enkotomponi oye nipa he is in power but enam incompetent oye ntino the official say he can only become relevant if he attacks the MPP who is no more in government mame patient than so Mwakwaba ye Parliament is in Nkansah. Yeah, we'll see what you're annoyed, but I just wanted to show the character of Hopeson Adorye. Abusuafo think say ene ensem when I made the bramo ade asa about 2 o'clock in the night e wo itedi o chanopa by 9 me lesson bi je e wo university ntino yeah things I have to end it here na madam nyina ase ene bramo nya aye ene support a mo de be den e be support o me said ye tie bia na o kira e be ba life on tem na yetimi ene adofo I interact me do bibia ase eche obia emo bia adaye until we meet again. Adios.